Good morning, dear children. So, this is Vishali ma'am, and I welcome you to your English class. Children, I hope you all are fine. So, first of all, greetings of Ganesh Chaturthi to you and your family. Children, we have already finished up to chapter 5 in your grammar. Okay. Now, chapter number 6 is noun gender in your grammar book. Okay. Children, as we all know that what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Further, we distinguish them on the basis of gender. Okay. जेंडर क्या है? हिंदी में जैसे आप लिंग कहते हैं, ठीक है. हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बेसिस पे जो नाउन है उसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं? डिफ्रेंशिएट कर रहे हैं. वी आर डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. एंड विच कैरेक्टर? द मेल कैरेक्टर्स एंड द फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स. ओके, द मेल कैरेक्टर एंड द फीमेल कैरेक्टर, एंड दिस वी कॉल मैस्कुलिन जेंडर एंड फेमिनिन जेंडर. ओके. What is masculine gender, children? Masculine gender refers to boys, men or male animals. Okay, where male characteristics are shown. Okay, in such nouns we distinguish them or we differentiate them as masculine gender. And when we see the female characteristics, we go for feminine gender. Understood? Okay, and feminine gender stands for girls, women, female animals, etc. So here some of the examples of masculine and feminine genders are given. Okay, like man, woman, king, queen, rooster, hen, fox, vixen, bride, bridegroom, master, mistress, lion, lioness, bull, cow. Okay, so these are some of the common gender. Okay, where we can distinguish easily in animals, in person. Okay, we can easily distinguish masculine and feminine gender. Okay. Further, more examples like uncle, aunt, husband, wife, nephew, niece. Okay, so all these are the examples of masculine and feminine gender. Apart from these, children, what we have, there are certain words which comes in our language which also says about person, but it cannot specify the gender. Okay, it can be male, it can be female. So what we have to see, we put them in the category of common genders. Where do we put them? We put them in the category of common gender, like doctor, engineer, teacher, nurse, pilot, okay, dancer, singer. All these are some of the person which cannot be distinguished as masculine or feminine. So we put them in common gender. Okay, when we talk about them, we keep them in the common gender. The fourth type is the neuter gender. What is the fourth type? The fourth type of gender is neuter. Neuter gender, children, refers to लाइफलेस थिंग्स. ओके, जिसमें लाइफ नहीं होता है उसको हम किस कैटेगरी में रखते हैं? न्यूटर जेंडर में. एग्जाम्पल बेंच, मिरर, चेयर, फैन, टीवी, बुक, ऑल दीज आर न्यूटर जेंडर. ओके, आई होप it is clear to you. Okay, we have already started and we are studying gender continuously, so it is very much clear to you all. So just revise the topic properly. Okay, now let us see the exercise. The first exercise is complete the table. What we have to do? We have to complete the table. Here you have to write wherever masculine gender is required or feminine gender is required. Please fill accordingly. Okay. So in the first one is uncle. So feminine gender for uncle is aunt. In B, wife is given. Okay. So the masculine gender over here will be husband. Nephew, niece. Nephew, niece. Stallion, mare. Stallion, mare. Gander, goose. Gander, goose. Steward, stewardess. Steward, stewardess. Hare, heiress. Hare, heiress. Then sir, madam. Sir, madam. Duke, duchess. Duke, duchess. Okay. Then czar, czarina. Czar, czarina. Okay. Then comes drake, duck. Drake, duck. Ram, Eve. Ram, Eve. Okay. So I hope it is just a quick revision, and with this revision it is clear to you. You all have studied, and more than these also you have learned the examples of masculine and feminine gender. Okay. So please do it, and then we will proceed to the next exercise.